Okay, so let's say that you've set up your Figma file with all these different conditionals and variables, like you've got spacing regular, spacing large, and even spacing medium, and you've applied it to your design. In this design, for example, I have a padding set to 24 for the top and bottom and the left and right, and I have a spacing set to 8. But what happens if you want to change that 8 to something else? You can try to scrub it, and the problem is that that number is overridden. You can try to type another number, but again, the number's overridden, so that kind of defeats the purpose of variables. So what can we do? Well, thanks to Joey Banks yesterday, he actually informed me that there are two other ways to do this. You can click in the input field and hit the equals key and automatically go to the list. You can click which one you want and change it, or you can use the arrow key to scrub through which one you want and hit enter. But again, you have to be clicked into the input field for this to happen. Otherwise, you're going to zoom into the document. The other way, and I think that this is a little bit of a backwards behavior, is to click into the input field, hit delete or backspace, and hit enter to jump back into the list. And again, you can use your keyboard to scroll through the list, or you can click which one you want. And that's pretty much it.